Short video to explain how to get fit and make money. We got a lot of questions, so this is an emergency video to explain shortly in detail how you get started, where you found the link to get started, because we get so many questions. People are asking how to get started, how I can get money. Everything will be explained in this video, so listen very carefully to this video. I will explain everything in detail, how you can make money from Dubai and from outside of Dubai, international, anytime, anywhere in the world. So let's get started. First, what you need is you need to go to your Instagram and look for my profile, Norbert Simonis. Okay, on Instagram you will see the link in the bio. The link in the bio is where it's written here, click to start today. So you just click here, okay, where it's mentioned bit.ly, click to start today. You click on this link here, and in my bio you can find directly access. So you just register here, put your full name, your mobile number and your email, and then you click the button send me all infos now, and in 10 seconds you get access with everything you need from A to Z to make the body time system. So here I am again. So just shortly, I'm here actually at the Paramount Hotel in Dubai. It's an amazing place, very inspiring, and as you see what I'm doing, I'm helping people to get fit and make money. That's the crazy thing. You can do it from anywhere in the world. It's an amazing job. You can do it from any place worldwide. You need just your phone. That's all. Let me switch to the video here again. So let me show you around. It looks really amazing, and I will explain you now everything from A to Z, how to get fit and make money from Dubai, from the Paramount Hotel. Okay, let me switch back to my camera. So as you see, I teach you also how you can use the phone to register yourself at the same time and show people on the phone how to use the app. After you fill out the form and get all the informations, you just create your account. And after you create your account, you will get access, as I'm showing you now here, to your account. Okay, I just go back to the home screen. So after you log in, this is the main page. You need to log in first with your personal details, what you get with the registration link, and then you will have your account. In your account, you will see following important. All the menus are good, but very important is marketing. Okay, under marketing, you click on affiliate link, and here you found your affiliate link. Okay, you can use the QR code, or you can just copy this link here, all this link, and send it to other people to get them in your downline. In the menu here, you can see also under reports, downline, all the people who get already subscribed below you, as you see here. Okay, all the people and other people who subscribe other people, everything you can see here, and that's how you create your downline. Then you will see your earnings here on the top. And now one more important thing, under marketing, of course, product links, and that's where we come to the part how you can work internationally. Here, for the people from Dubai, they have to subscribe for Forever Fit 1X or Forever Fit 2X, depends if they want 1 session or 2 sessions a week. We recommend always 1 session, guys. It's more than enough. We offer always 2 because some people want 2, but 1 session is more than enough. And let me show you shortly. Here I am again. We have, as I said to you, we have also the international program. So if you are out of Dubai, you can just go on Instagram, go on Facebook, okay? It's very simple, and just look people in Dubai, people who go to gyms or any facilities, and you can get in touch with them and write them, hey, look, I have an amazing opportunity for you. Do you want to get fit and make money in Dubai? There is a gym that pays you to get fit. The only thing you need to do is use our facilities to get fit, recommend to other people, so give this business opportunity to other people to make them also fit in the same time. And if all of us train and get fit, make money, what can be better than making money and getting fit at the same time? So it's amazing. That's everything you need. So let me go back quickly here. For the people who cannot use our services in Dubai, they can use Motivated Fit for only $197. As you see here, international product. Okay, this product works from anywhere in the world. It's an online coaching that teaches you how to get your dream body without struggle in just 9 weeks. This program is worth a lot of money, and you get it here for just 197 dirhams. I think I will add here also a link to the product description where the product will be explained, where you can watch it, but purchasing will work always from here. So pretty much that's all of it. Now you have all the informations to train with us in Business Bay. You get the informations here. And now let me show you also one more thing real quick. What's very, very important. I like to show you now just to see real quick how you can get all the informations you need on my Instagram. One more time. That's so easy. You can find on my Instagram the link to get subscribed. I will show you now one more time. In this video, just watch it one more time. You will find all the informations, how to get your referral link, how to purchase the package, and you can show also your clients, of course, my content that shows them how they do everything from A to Z. Totally simple. Now let's go back to Instagram. So we click again on the link here, and here you can see now directly where you get all the informations, where you get subscribed. We have a weekly Zoom meeting every Sunday at 8 p.m. Dubai time. You just click here on the blue button to join it. Sunday, 8 p.m. Dubai time. You can go 5 minutes earlier, of course. And every Wednesday, we have meeting in Business Bay Dubai, 3 p.m. in Silver Tower, office 1810, where we teach you exactly what you see here, how to build up the business and make this insane money. You know, you can reach even more than what's mentioned here. This is just an example. You can make in level 3 or 1,300 dirhams every single month. It's a recurring payment. It's coming every month, this money. 3,200, 7,500, 16,000, 29. So short said, you can make multiple thousand dirhams, 10,000, even 100,000 dirhams. That's a business to get rich, guys. It's a millionaire business. You can make a lot of money. This is my QR code. You can scan it also to get all the informations. And that's pretty much all of it. Let me switch back to the video. So with that said, that's all you need to know. I hope this video helps you now. You have all the informations, how to use the app, how to do everything. So if you have any questions still now, don't ask. Watch the entire video one more time because everything was explained. So please do me a favor, don't ask things that are already explained because we need to move fast. A lot of people need our help. I'm here to help you, but all the time if something is already answered, don't ask one more time about how it works or how I did this. You just go back, you can see this video. And now the most important thing, guys, share this video with others. Share this video with your friends because that helps them to understand the system. And just if people understand how to get fit and make money, you will get fit and make money. So it's a community. Together, we make a lot of money now. That's the easiest way to make money. Tell me a gym that gonna pace you to get fit and you will make more money than in your regular job. You can quit your 9-to-5 job and you can make insane money from anytime, anywhere in the world just by using your phone as me now, having your virtual dashboard as you see it here, where you can see all your statistics and everything. You have a dashboard here where you can see the people who subscribed, your sales. Now everything is on zero, okay? Clicks, statistics, and go to the menu. You will see how many different marketing tools you have, reports. Then you can here set up your payment, payout. You see here, you just fill out your bank details. Okay, it's quite easy. You have here a field where you put your bank details, or you can be paid even with crypto, as mentioned here. Crypto is a very good way to get payout, so I recommend people to use crypto, of course. But anyway, you have different options. It's up to you what is the best. With that said, shortly, I wish you, of course, a lot of success and talk soon, of course. Let's make it, guys. Let's make it. Let's get successful. Let's get fit and make money in the same time. Okay, with my body time, what's your business? It's your business where you can earn a lot of money. Talk soon, my friends.